Hey friends, I'm Jackie and welcome back to another episode here on Hearth and Apron. So I am so thrilled to have you here with me today, and I hope that you are ready for some cleaning motivation as well as some problem solving fun, because my freezer is on the fritz and I am just determined to do everything in my power to try and fix it before I call it a professional or I take it to go look for a replacement. So, well, not take it with me, but you get the idea. I don't know if what I'm going to do today is going to work, but I am going to promise you some disgusting real life messes. I actually started this last night because I needed to de-thaw my freezer out before I began, and guys. Anyways, though, I'm going to go ahead and rewind right here so we can start this episode out.
Right now I'm just getting all the magnets and pictures off of my fridge, and then I'm going to go ahead and clear off the top so that I can move this thing out and see what we can do.
I just wanna dance, just wanna
a real quick pickup of the kitchen because I do not want to take everything out of my fridge when I do not have a clean space to do so. I just feel like it's going to create extra chaos and give me a lot of anxiety. So we're just going to do a simple pickup real quick.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to 10, then again.
OMG, you guys, this is so freaking gross. I don't even know what to say. Ew. This is real life mess. Don't judge me. I did not know that this was going down.
Another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. No, hey.
Yeah, I'm done for the night, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna clean up the literally melting popsicle out of the side door, and I'm out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay guys, we are on day 2 of this cleaning and problem solving motivation episode. All I can say is that last night I had to stop. I was so bloody grossed out. Evidently all those popsicles had been leaking far longer than I thought, and they had congregated with like all of the dust in the house to make like this. It was bad. I ended up doing like a good sweep on it, but I have left the mess to clean up today because I wanted to keep it real life. But I want to let you know I was totally mortified to share this part with you. Please don't judge me. I honestly, I didn't know that I was supposed to be cleaning the fridge and moving it out all the time. Like, I move it out every once in a while, but it's not something that was part of my normal cleaning routine, and there are gonna be some changes made, guys, because so bad. Anyways, real life mess. Yuck. Let's go ahead and get this mess cleaned up.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
So I have been told by professionals, guys, that this little brown piece is supposed to be removed and cleaned at least once a year or periodically, depending. Like, I have animals, so probably twice a year. I had no idea. And so as I started to remove this, I was horrified. Guys, look at all the dust. I didn't know about this. Did you know about this? Let me know in the comments if you knew about this.
Pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. Didn't even notice that it rained all summer. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. My lipstick on your white shirt collar. felt so elevating, too easy at times. Then all of a sudden.
So at this point, yes, I am going to wipe down the inside and outside of this refrigerator. I don't know at this point if this is going to work in cleaning it, but I just kept telling myself that if it didn't go right, then this would be the cleanest little refrigerator in the junkyard. I felt so satisfied cleaning the bottom, I just had to complete the job.
Manage without. How about that? If you could rewind, do it again. I wonder, would you hurt me just like you did? Or would you fast forward to the end? I wonder, so you wouldn't have to face what you did. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. For believing lies from my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could have known it, I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. Na 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 na. Just as stupid as you. Na 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 na. Just as stupid as you. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you.
Okay, so it's been about a little over a week and a half since we last saw each other earlier in this video. We went ahead and plugged in that refrigerator and we let it go for about 24 hours to see if it could get back to the temperature that it needed to be. Unfortunately, no dice, it has passed on to a better refrigerator land. And we found ourselves in the situation that we needed to go out and buy a new refrigerator. Now you might wonder, why did I still show you me cleaning out the refrigerator earlier? And that is because I was told that that was a direct contributor to why the refrigerator broke, because it was just struggling too hard to do its job. So obviously that's something that I need to do in the future, and I had no idea that that was something that needed to be done, to be honest with you. So I thought that somebody else might be in the same situation, so I wanted to make sure to still include that, and also it kind of gives you a broad idea of what kind of went down with this refrigerator problem. So we went to the local stores and we looked around at different models and available things, and there was just unfortunately nothing within our price range that we were really interested in locally. So we had to go on Lowe's.com and order ourselves a brand new refrigerator. Now, it was back ordered, so today is finally the day that they came and they picked up the other refrigerator and dropped off our new one. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you what it looks like. We're gonna give it a quick clean out, and then I'm gonna put in the food that I have left. So we did kind of go through everything that we could in the refrigerator, because obviously we were living out of ice chests and mini fridges. It wasn't really something that was really easy to store a whole lot of food. So I don't have a ton to put in the fridge, but I am gonna take you along with me while I do that. We're gonna do some light organization. Now, I'm not going to do all of my labels and keep it like really extreme organization yet, because I wanna see how everything flows within this fridge. So we will be revisiting this fridge in a couple weeks when we kind of go ahead and make all of that organization more official, and maybe I might exchange a piece or two. I don't know, we're gonna go ahead and see. But enough of me jabbing, let's go ahead and look at this fridge.
So obviously this is a different style fridge. The things that drew me to it the most were these clear side bins as well as the glass shelves. Not everything had those in the price range that we were hoping to spend, and so that's one of the things that really made me be more interested in this fridge itself. So freezer first, I'm just going to start to remove all of the little stickers and anything else that might be in here that doesn't belong, and then give it a good wipe down. You guys, this only uses $46 a year to power this fridge, which was one of the things that I really did like about it as well. It was noted to be one of the most energy efficient of its kind. So for me, that was really exciting, so I thought I'd share that. As I said, I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a really good wipe down in the freezer, put my stuff inside, and then we will head straight to the fridge. All of this food has been waiting in my mom's freezer, and a huge shout out and thank you to her for letting me use it. while we were getting the situation fixed. Can I just say it's so nice to have a freezer and food and a fridge again, that I'm not searching through an ice chest? Like, guys, I'm so happy. So most of this food is going to be separated into these 4 plastic bins that I already had in my freezer before, and we are going to do 2 different kinds of meat as well as fruits and veggies in this, and then we're going to take any leftover bread products or breakfast foods and things of that nature and throw them into the door. So that's also where I'll be keeping my snacks, as well as, you know, popsicles, anything of that nature, dessert. That's all going over there. I think everything fit in really good. I'm really happy with this so far.
And you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo. And I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
So now that the fridge has got everything inside of it, you're just going to go ahead and put everything back on top. I'm going to be using this little shelf to put my salad bowls underneath because I just don't have another place for them at this time. And then I'm going to bring back my cute little knight my friends gave me, as well as my Goldie Hawn and Kurt Russell wine bottles that another friend gave me. Yes, some of my weird little treasures. So this is my first stainless steel appliance. There's some stainless steel in my stove, but fully stainless steel, and honestly, it has come to my attention that I do not know how to properly take care of stainless steel. I do have some amazing friends that have given me some tips on Instagram. If you guys have any tips as well, let me know down below. I try here with a spray Barkeeper's Friend, then I try my glass spray from Mrs. Meyer's, and in the end I just give up and use water, which seem to give the least streaks at this point. We're also going to be putting up the baskets where I have all of my kitchen linens, and then we are heading to put on the magnets on the fridge. I did not know that you can't put magnets on the front of a stainless steel fridge, so you'll see where I realized that, and then we move everything over to the side. I really love to have all this stuff. There's a little story to go with every single piece. Now, I do think that I will be going over all of the pictures that I have here with some clear vinyl so that I can protect them from any grease or anything else that might splash up in this area.
But I told you so.
Okay friends, we have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this problem-solving adventure today. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know what you thought of today's content down below and to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell because then you'll know when all of the new content is coming your way. Now, I hope that you have an absolutely magical day coming up ahead of you, and I cannot wait to see you next time.
Go if nothing changes.